In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to turn video transcripts into organized study notes. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking into the search bar and typing a prompt to find the transcript for Josh Kaufman's video, The First 20 Hours, and turn it into notes. Once I hit enter, you can see Perplexity actively searching the web and YouTube to gather the necessary information. The AI quickly generates a summary of the main video idea and then outlines the 5 key steps for rapid skill acquisition, such as deconstructing the skill and committing to at least 20 hours of practice. These results provide a concise look at the video's core message without me having to take notes manually. Next, I'll scroll down to the follow-up bar and ask Perplexity to find the transcript for a beginner's guide to Perplexity AI and turn it into a structured list with headings. After sending that request, the AI begins scanning the relevant tutorial video to identify its key features. Perplexity then provides a detailed breakdown of its own interface, including search focus options and file attachment capabilities. It explains how the tool moves beyond a simple chatbot to provide verified answers with linked sources, making it a perfect companion for research and study. Using these AI-generated notes is a powerful way to quickly digest long-form video content without having to watch the entire thing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.